Bryce Ride. Waiting on a gentleman to come. I'm doing a pickup. Decent chap. Oh, I'm across the road. Come cross my boss. Man, I walk so like him a soldier.
Yeah, man. I want a reaction to man.
Yeah? That old soldier?
Yeah?
That old soldier, you're just soldier in the street.
One going nice, you know?
So what did stop you?
Why we never have as much when we want to push through.
Too short? Little bit of muscles, what?
Right, man.
Little bit of muscle?
More body, you know?
Oh, okay. But you know, saying not really body make you a soldier or not a soldier. I don't say badness where in here, so the goodness or the badness, anything you want to call it.
I goodness in there, man.
Are the goodness? So you say soldier them are good people them?
Of course, man. You know, it feels they are good and bad, you know. That's what we choose, you know.
Yeah. Tell a real story though. You know that one of my biggest regrets. I really don't do regrets, but if I were to, you know, like do over my youthful days, I'd become a soldier. If I know what I know now, if I knew then, I would have been a soldier. Because at the time I saw soldiers as just men in uniform, running up and down in bushes, and that's it. I never want to in a bush I run down my body, and have my body I run me down in a bush. No, I'm more in the pretty boy thing. But had I known, being a soldier is putting you on the platform to be anything you want to be. You can be an engineer, you can be anything you want to be. And I have friends that start off as being soldiers. My friends are pilots, my friends are engineers, my friends do all kind of stuff from the platform of being a soldier. So, I could do it over and turn soldier now. You can be me, when I say me squaddy. Anyway, that bossy package them for you, and I appreciate you meeting me down here. You walk with the ID, you don't?
Yeah, man.
I'm going to take it. No, I'm going to take a picture because you're a soldier. I put it out in the world and see if nobody know, you know, say you get trouble on the road or you're good.
And you will see the comment.
Yo, I appreciate you coming. And, I don't know, how you're going to manage field one? You can manage it?
Yeah, man.
I like how you're not a soldier and I'm put it on the one there. Like how you're not a soldier, I don't know if you have the muscle if you manage it, you know.
Light something this, man.
Lightweight.
Lightweight.
What good? Alright?
That's the word. Respect.
That is how we do it on the delivery trail. It is all fun and games. Good guy. You want to be a soldier. You should have become a soldier, you know. I wonder if many would have been party. Bust something, I don't know. Be a soldier. So, you know.